What's going on, everyone? This video brings us out to the streets of Northeast Philadelphia. We're going northbound on Algon Avenue, and we're incidentally up here on the right. See these new houses? There used to be an old mansion type house there, or haunted house type thing back in the day. Behind that, believe it or not, was where Larry Fiennes of the Three Stooges, that's where his sister used to live, believe it or not. Remember, Larry Fiennes was, I believe, born here in Philadelphia. Whoa, did you see that? On the other side of the road? I just flew around the traffic, passing everybody right down the middle, which is a huge no-no. Wow. What a dum-dum. Yeah, Larry Fiennes' sister used to live up here on Algon Avenue in Northeast Philly. I believe Larry was born down in Center City, or one of the Three Stooges was. I always get mixed up which one it was. The other two, I believe, were from New York. We are crossing Ron Street, Ron and Algon, Northeast Philadelphia. We're going to be turning right on Solly and taking Solly all the way across to Home Avenue. Got an appointment to attend to over that direction, so I figured, why not? We haven't done a video in a while. Let's record. And we already saw someone pass. We already saw someone pass where they're not supposed to pass, right down the middle of the roadway. I mean, as you can see here, this is one lane each direction with a turning lane in between. There goes one of them R&R Transits. Would love to know where they're based out of. I always see R&R Transit around, but never know who's actually is R&R Transit. And if you notice, there's no number to call on them. How do you even get in touch with them if you want to ride? Very odd organization. And what does R&R stand for? Is that Russian related? I don't know. All right, coming up on Solly Avenue, where we are going to make a right-hand turn. And at this intersection, you can turn red, so I'm going to. Most cases, I don't do that. In this case, I do. To avoid confrontation of the dreaded honk of the horn because I haven't turned on red. Which, by the way, look it up. I'm pretty sure that's a $50 fine in Pennsylvania. If you honk the horn for someone who does not want to turn on red, but can, I believe you can get a fine for that. It's one of those ones that falls under the category of it's never really enforced. Maybe it doesn't exist anymore. But at one time there was a rule about that. Either way, I've never heard of anyone gotten pulled over for it. Now, what's this person doing? You can't make a U-turn here. I would hope he's backing into this driveway. He is. Okay. We're good. Or is he? Might be pulling out again. Nah, he's backing into his driveway. Crossing Loretto. Are we going to pay attention? Thank you very much. Didn't know if he saw me crossing. It is a very warm day out today for February. Up to 53 degrees, and we're not stopping there. We're going to go into the 60s on Saturday. Alrighty, crossing Castor Avenue. Next will come Bustleton. Notice how they're close together? That's because Castor and Bustleton meet together just up ahead where Castor ends, just north of here. Here's Bustleton. Passing the Northeast Older Adult Center at this recreation center. Welcome to George E. Plebano Recreation Center. I believe that's the name of it. I had never actually realized that was the name of this recreation center until I just saw the sign. Figured I wanted to tell you what the name is, in case anyone was curious. Past Eastwood Street. Coming close to the boulevard. The infamous Roosevelt Boulevard. Which, by the way, in case you were wondering, this is Home Circle up here. This was one of the first, I believe this might have been the first circle that was put in when they did the circles in the late 50s or early 1960s on the boulevard. In which now, it's not really much of a circle anymore. You just pretty much go straight through. It's a regular intersection with the inner lanes going underneath. Which that was the first thing that they did. Oh no. We want to be in that right lane, don't we? It don't matter. Goes to 2 lanes up here. But if you get someone making a left, you might be sitting there a while. Yeah, we're good. Up here on the left is Nazareth Hospital. Just been around since the 1950s. Now it looks like we got a little bit of utility work going on up here, maybe? Nope. Yep. Water department. Wonder what they're doing. Ooh, look at that light fixture. Not only doesn't have no light on top, it's slanted. I wonder if wind did that or someone had an accident. Knowing the way Northeast Philly and the whole area is trending for driver behavior, likely an accident. Hey, more water department activity. Perhaps they're all related. Wonder what they're doing. Crossing over to Pennypack Creek. Route 20 buses in front of us. I believe they go up and turn off on Academy Road, which it comes from the Boulevard. Frankfort Transportation Center. Their big servicing is the Archbishop Bryant, I think. Don't quote me, I could be wrong. It's been a while. Alright, we'll go around the bus. Buses, 2 buses. The Route 50 bus also comes this way. Uh-oh, yellow light. Whoa, Nelly. I will never understand that, for one thing. You guys can't see what just happened. Except the bus went right through the red light. Light had turned red. I don't understand why they always do that. I know they got to upkeep a schedule, but they, for some reason, get a free pass to go through the red light. Whatever. It's been happening as long as I've been alive, and that's 31 years. So. Alrighty. Passing Covent Ave, also passing Pennypack Street. Up here, we're going to be making a right. We are almost at our destination. We are turning right here onto Willits Road. Which for this short stretch is a 4-lane, 2 in each direction. Just from Home Avenue up to Frankfort. Or I should say Academy. Up here on the right is Pennypack Woods. It's kind kind of like a lottery type system. I wouldn't say lottery system, but you got to know someone to be able to get in there. If a property goes up for sale, you got to know someone. And the way it works is, I don't believe they pay taxes in there. It's very strange. It's not like a normal, it's a normal living community or apartment complex. No. Very strange how it works. Does have a homeowners association according to the sign I can see. Passing up on the left is a historic Khan's Daughters, which it looks like there might be something going on there today. There's a few cars in there. Maybe someone's having a lunchie. All right, we are now on Academy Road, and then we're going to be turning right up here on Frankfurt. And actually, we're going to take this little cut through here because this is where we need to go. Right here by the PJP Marketplace. So this is where I'm going to leave you off. Thank you for watching this video. There'll be more videos coming soon, at least driving related videos. We'll be getting back to some of the other stuff as well. So thanks for watching. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. It does help me out. We're really trying to grow this channel. And I will see you next time. So long.